you can reset your Microsoft Word to its default settings. Now, before we start, if you are new to our channel, hit down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on any of our future videos. Now, let's start. So the first step is opening your Registry Editor. Now you can open your Registry Editor by just tapping on your Start button and searching for Registry Editor. Open it up. And after you open it up, just expand H key current users. Now there are a lot of ones right here, so make sure that you expand the correct one. After you expand H key current users, just search for software and expand software. And after you expand software, search for Microsoft. It's right around here. Now it's really easy to find it because all of these are arranged in your alphabetical order. So just expand Microsoft and scroll down till you find Office. So it's right here. Expand Office. So now you'll see a lot of options. Here are your versions. If you're using the 2016 version, it says here 16.0. If you're using the 15th version, 2015 version, it's the 15.01 and so on. So just expand your version, and after you expand the one, just search for Word. Now it's right here. Now right click on it and delete it. And after you delete it, your Microsoft Word will get reset to its default version. So yeah, that's basically it. That is how you do it, guys. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more, and if you found this video helpful, leave a like down below, and bye bye, take care.